I've found doing the sight reading challenges myself, it has helped me find new music for my students, like so much. But I've found so much good repertoire for the students by doing these sight reading challenges. It's great.
There's a community behind it. That's not with each software, and that's usually not what you have in a normal piano lesson. That is really encouraging for many students.
The ones who consistently do Piano Marvel are my best readers. The advanced students love to do the challenges and the sight reading, Sasser, more than anything else.
I super appreciate that you guys are putting these challenges out. It is very motivating. My kids love it. They love to see, it's very motivating for them to see what other studios are doing, what other kids are doing.
Heidi, another thing that we did that helped the children to really perform well was that I was able to challenge them, telling them that they are competing in an international competition and they should put in their best. So they all took the challenge and they were happy.
It's so cool now with the countries being represented in the challenges, and there's actually, you can see how the countries are doing. That's so exciting because you see how international this, it's kind of like it kind of connects everyone. There's like kind of a united goal going on. It's just really cool.
We like also that you have so many challenges always to stay motivated to play a lot, and it's really very good for sight reading in all levels.
So Guyana, do you also compete in the competitions, the challenges?
Yes, I do. I try to play every day because it's motivating and because it's really helpful for the sight reading, and it's fun also, so yeah.
She saw that Jazzy July Challenge was there, and then rewards was also there, and like every day she used to view the scores. I need to work hard because this person is getting higher than me and she needs to compete.
The more teamwork, which really excites my kids. And then I have one of my kids just going, "Excuse me, Lori, we're like 10 away." And he'll get up and get, "Okay, everybody, this is the class that needs to put us in first place. Are you in?" And like, this kid's like 10, right? "Are you guys in? Are we gonna?" And they're going, "Yeah, we're in." I've always kind of done this kind of thing, but the challenges kind of add another level. It's very exciting.